Daily recap video for Wednesday, September 9th in AP Language. So if you look at what we did today, we talked about submitting your photo story into Canvas. We talked about office hours, and we talked about signing up for Remind. So let's start here. Your homework, if you went to modules, is you had to submit here your assignment 1.1 photo story. And you submitted here. We talked about how to do that. So you should do that right now. The second thing we did was we actually signed up for your Remind. Remind is a text messaging app. And if you look here, this is how you're going to sign on to it. So if you are, if you can grab your phone, and in my period 8, you're signing up with this join code. And if you are in my period 6, this is your join code. So you would just create a text message and send it to this number. We then talked about self-care, and self-care is about trying to manage your mental health through this really challenging time. There's nothing you had to do, but we talked about that. And then there was a video assignment, which is your homework for tomorrow. So if you go back to Canvas, you can click on this. And when you click on it, it'll talk to you about the video assignment. So all you're going to do is you're going to get your iPad and you're going to set it up and you're going to point it to yourself. And all you're going to do is talk to your iPad and record and answer the following questions. You're going to say your name. You're going to tell me your pronoun, what you want to do after you graduate, your passions, and what are you hopeful about and concerned about this year. Okay? If you're wondering what this should look like, here's a sample for me. I actually did this assignment. And then when you go back to modules, you're going to upload the video from your iPad right here. So I highly recommend that you use your iPad because it's just going to be easier to do that. And that is due tomorrow.